Yeah. So possibly you remember yesterday till creating user stories, like creating user stories and how to create sprints we discussed, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay, and even I forgot to show you this dashboard. This is also very important. Okay, see on the top of it we have dashboards. Okay, even we can take a default dashboard, or you can create your own dashboards as well.
Okay.
Okay, if you have admin, then only you can create your own dashboard. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if you click on this default dashboard, this is a default dashboard. Okay, in the dashboard you can see everything. See, the activity stream will tell you if someone is creating user story, someone is closing the user story, if someone is creating sprints, everything, all, each and every action will be tracked here. Okay,
Okay. Automatically.
automatically. Okay, this dashboard will give you everything. Okay, and see on the top of it we have assign to me. Okay, it is your issues, like someone is going to assign a user story for you, it is only your work. Okay, they will be displayed in this particular dashboard. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, and
Yeah.
see the projects which you are involved. See, being a admin, I involved in two different projects. One is RBMS, one is sample, both things. Okay, and the projects that you are involved only will be displayed here. It is not like for example some ABC project is there, you are not involved, then that project will not be displayed here. Still that is there in
Okay.
Zira software, but that you are not allocated. Simple.
Like who is controlling that?
Admin. I told you, no, network admin. These people are operating all these things. Even these people are creating projects and assigning the project leads, and even this Scrum Masters, all these team members. With using
Okay.
this administration access. Already I shown you yesterday, if you remember, this
Yes.
administrative access.
Yes.
Okay, with using this access, they'll create the teams, they'll create privileges to all the team members, and they'll assign the projects. Okay, see here, under users. Okay, and even
Okay.
they create groups here. Okay, and they'll assign each which group that is going to handle, and the group wise privileges they'll handle. Okay, all this administration will be taken care by the admin team. You don't need to bother about it. Okay.
So this will be the technical role for admin actually.
Exactly, because as per the company hierarchy, okay, someone to only see the user stories, and someone can create user stories, and someone can create projects, and even can delete projects or something kind of privileges. Hierarchy is there, no?
Okay.
So depending on the
Yes.
team hierarchy, they'll decide all these things. It's not like everyone will get this access. Do remember, it's highly
Okay.
confidential in IT industries. It is completely being given to the administrators only. Those people will organize it, depending on the what we can say profile hierarchy.
Okay.
Okay, is that
Okay.
clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a common dashboard. Everything you could see here, which projects that you are involved. Okay, and which user stories are assigned to you. So see here. So far, I don't have any issues. I currently have no issues assigned to you. Enjoy your day,
Okay.
right? And which are all activities. It is not like I'm doing one activity, that's the reason I'm getting it. Okay, even if Sharan is doing something, or Karthik is doing one activity, everything will be displayed here.
Okay.
So far, I'm the only person doing all the activities. That's the reason most of the cases you see my name only, right? Right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay, if you started working on this tool, then all your activities, see now Karthik has changed something.
Yeah,
See
I was just
Karthik,
playing around.
right? See all the Karthik actions, now it has been tracked. Everything has been tracked here. Okay, is
Okay.
that clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, now let us get into the projects. RBMS project now. Okay, already you understood how to create versions by this time, right?
Yes.
Creating versions already we are clear, and creating epics under the versions already we are clear. Okay.
So we have an option called configure fields, right?
Yes,
There,
even in the
there we are
active
selecting
sprints
versions.
here,
Yes.
right here, board settings you can change it. Yes, tell me.
Can you open the configure fields where we are fixing versions?
That you want to see, huh? Okay, just a
Yes.
second, just a second. While you are adding an issue, okay, configure fields.
Yeah. Like in some of the other Jira tools where my wife is working, I've seen different checkboxes there. Like they have customized it as a developer or a tester,
Correct,
designer.
correct,
They're
correct.
just like Yeah,
You
ticking
know,
the boxes there,
you
and
know,
directly the issue is being routed to developer or
developer or tester, correct.
whoever
Okay.
concerned. Yes, yes.
Okay, and the greatest advantage with Jira, even couple of big companies are integrating straight away this automation testing tools to the Jira.
Okay,
It has that comfort zone. Okay, to integrate with third-party tools, it is having that comfort zone. That's the reason people are integrating straight away. Once the user story is developed, straight away it will get into the automation testing tool.
okay. Here
Okay,
can we customize the same thing here?
we can integrate it. Of course, we can integrate it with Jira, but only licensed version.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay, licensed versions has that facility to integrate any tools, kind of testing tools, kind of development tools. Okay, we can integrate it here. Straight away, we can track it there.
So
Okay,
okay, once you integrate and you press a create, the message will be directed to the
directly
concerned person.
directed to the tool. Yes, correct.
Okay, now I get it.
Okay, even
Okay,
if you take kind of companies like Infosys and Deloitte, people are straight away. Hope you are aware of Deloitte and Infosys. Still, people are using the same automation tools.
yes, yes.
Okay, like Selenium, all these things. Those are integrated here with a Jira. But recently, Deloitte is using VSTS. Okay,
Okay,
for tracking all the user stories, everything. But still, Infosys is using a Jira only.
okay,
Okay,
okay, okay, Dilip, understood.
clear on this?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Understood, right? How to configure these fields. Okay, now so far we didn't started the sprint, if you see, right? I'm sorry, already we started the sprint.
Yeah.
Someone moved. Who moved this? 5 in progress.
I didn't operate Jira.
This is
I
assigned to
moved
Karthik.
something.
Okay,
Yeah, I
you
moved
did it.
something to. Yeah, I did it. Do you want me to put it back?
No, not required, not required. Not required, even I want you to do it. Sharon, you
Yeah,
open your account and start moving one user story which is assigned to you.
okay.
Okay, and before that, just see, once the sprint is started, we have three different bubbles here. Did you observe this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Three different bubbles. The first one, the gray color one, is to do.
To do.
Okay,
Yeah.
and this blue color one is in progress, and this green color is
Those are the
done.
CP values, right? So CP
Yes,
values
the
of.
total velocity. The total velocity of the first sprint is 55, right?
Yeah.
Before starting the sprint, right or wrong?
Yeah. Yeah.
And now you moved 5 velocity points, 5 story points to the progress, to do what we can say progress mode, right? And once you have completed, Karthik, you try to move your user story to the done, and Sharon, you try to move it to the to do progress.
Okay.
Do that once.
Now?
Yeah, now try to do it. We'll see. Even we'll close the sprint and we'll understand the reports, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm done.
That done, huh?
Yeah, you can refresh it once.
See, here it is done, right? And you go back to your backlog, and if you see already 5 is done.
Yeah, I'm 0 in doing currently.
Okay, 0 in progress. Okay, there is nothing in the progress. And even you could see the same update here as well. Completed is one issue is completed, right?
Yeah, true.
Okay, now you move to in progress, right, Sharan?
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Yeah, and see, once the issue is closed, that will be crossed like this. See,
Yeah.
this cross symbol is representing that is closed, that is done.
Yeah.
Did it?
Dilip, here I
Yes.
am able to like move even Sharan's and Ritika's thing, right? That's because you gave me the admin access.
Admin access, right? Right. Okay, because of that you are able to move it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you
Otherwise,
can't.
like I would
Once,
have those
okay,
restrictions.
only your assigned user stories only you could able to move.
So where should I move this now?
Either validation or designing or coding, all these things we kept it as in progress only.
Okay. I moved it to validation.
Validation you moved it, huh?
Yes.
We'll see. So 40 points you moved it to validation, right?
Yes.
Go back to your backlog, see, 40 is moved, it is under progress, right?
Okay.
Okay, now complete it, your user story to the done.
Okay. Now it's showing like a 40 here under this thing, blue one.
Yes, yes. Okay, now move it to done, that 40.
1 second.
Ritika sent us a message. Sorry, I'm unable to attend the session. Can you please record? I have severe stomach pain. I will be good by tomorrow. Okay, we will record it. Just update her that we are recording. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Dilip, I
I
don't
have
know
access.
what am I pressing here? I couldn't see the main page actually.
Okay, okay. I'll update her. Done?
Yes, yes.
No, still it is under validation in progress only.
Yeah, it's loading. It's loading. It's buffering actually.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now I'm moving this 42 down.
Yeah.
Yeah, done.
Done? So it is done, right? And it is crossed now. Crossed
Okay.
is nothing but it is done. Okay. And let us go back to the backlog. How many is done? See, 45 velocity is achieved.
Okay.
Okay, 10 is pending now. And even you could see this epic user stories. Total 3 issues are there, 2 are completed, only 1 is pending.
Okay. How
Okay.
should I select the one which is pending? Here. From here, RBMS 5.
Yes,
Okay.
here it is pending, right?
Okay.
Okay, and even you can see your only my only issues as well. Okay, and recently updated as well. Okay.
Okay.
And
Is that
I
clear?
believe you can also click on the circles, right? Like D, A, K, and R.
Yes, yes. Even we can see Karthik issues, even we can see Ritika issues, even we can see Saran issues, everything. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, see, without closing what we can say, without moving one user story to the done, I'm going to close the sprint. Do remember, already we discussed, right? In few scenarios, we may be pending with couple of user stories because of 2 reasons. Do you remember the two reasons? What are the 2 reasons here?
Lack of time and ambiguity.
Lack of clarity, right?
Yes.
So now let me complete the sprint. It'll ask you, I told you 2 different options. One is product grooming and the second one is right away upcoming sprint, right or wrong?
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, see, it is asking you select where all the incomplete issues should be moved. Where you
How
want to
did you
move
get this? How did you get this pop-up?
this one. See, completing sprint.
Okay.
On the top of it we have, okay?
Okay.
If you click here, it will ask you select where all the incomplete issues to be moved. Okay, see, it is asking you either you want to move it to the backlog. Okay, because backlog is nothing but here we don't have grooming, right? So backlog you can move and you can discuss again. You need to come up with the next sprint.
So
Yeah, and we
backlog
don't
is
even.
like for the
Yeah.
for the
Yeah,
current print.
Yes, it is not. If it is because of time, straight away you can move to the next sprint, new sprint.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, if
and,
it is, yeah.
and we don't have the next sprint, so that's why it's not showing up here.
No, no, no. Even next sprint, if you don't have it, still it is going to create a new sprint. See,
Oh.
if you want to create new sprint, you can create new sprint and add it. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
Otherwise, you can move it to the backlog.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, do you want me to move it to the next sprint?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. It will create automatically new sprint. See, after creating it, it is straight away getting this burn down chart.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can you show me the navigation again?
Yes, I'll show you. Active sprints are 0 and backlog if you go with, see, second sprint is added automatically. Did you observe this?
Yes, yes, yes.
RBMS sprint 2 is added and already one user story has been there here. That is Ritika's user story.
Correct.
Right? Is
Yes.
that clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And now getting into the reports, we have plenty of reports here, but the majority of the cases we are going for burn down charts. Okay. In few scenarios, even burn up charts as well. See the diagram itself showing burn down is nothing but how much pending work is there.
Yes.
Okay. Burn up is been representing how much work you have done. Is
Yeah.
that clear?
Yes.
And if you click on burn down charts, see the complete report, who ended the sprint, who started the sprint, okay, and what changed. Okay, even if you are adding in between some user stories, even it will show you, okay, all of a sudden the scope has been changed, okay, like that. Even details also it is been displayed. Okay, and see, while closing the sprint, what is the remaining velocity? It is been showing here. What
Okay.
is the remaining velocity? 10.
It's
10
10.
velocity is incompleted.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
And
And
did you see?
Dilip, who's going to end up the sprint in real scenario? Scrum Master?
Yes, Scrum Master.
Or the
Once
PM?
all the Scrum Master. PM and Scrum Master are one and the same. Again, don't consider PM or separate. PM is separate and Scrum Master is separate.
No, I'm saying that product owner or Scrum Master.
PO, na? Yes. In few scenarios, PO. In few scenarios, majority of the scenarios, Scrum Master.
Okay.
Because Scrum Master knows about the development team work, not the product owner, right?
True.
Okay. So this burn down chart, if you see, why it is like this? Can you tell me? Why it is straight arrow? It is incompleted. For 10 user stories is incompleted, right?
Yes.
10 story points is incompleted. That's the reason it is incompleted. And yesterday we closed something. That's the reason on the same day we completed here 2 issues. Okay, then it has been straight arrow, right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so all your charts will be displaying your work. Okay, and in real time, because based on the status, you'll come to know where is the project exactly. But generally, if you remember in waterfall, okay, if someone is asking you where is your project, what is your status of your requirements, then we can open RTM and we can see, right, which requirement, where is it. Okay, but now instead of RTMs, we are using this burn up or burn down charts to explain where is the project and where is the requirements and how many sprints are completed and how many user stories are completed. Everything we can see with using this burn up and burn down charts. Majority of the people are using burn down charts only. Do remember.
So how can I update the status? Like if someone asks me like where is your project, means like it's under work scope or it's under.
You can download this sprint burn down or product burn down. Even product burn down is also there. Okay, how much is pending? This version report. Already we created RBMS version 1, right? So version 1, how many epics are there? How many, what we say, this sprints are there? So far I created only 2 sprints, right? Still something is pending, right?
Yeah.
Okay, with this report you can show, otherwise straight away you can go back and you can go to the issues. See, one option is there, issues. Did you see this?
Yes. Yes.
If you click on issues, Karthik, listen carefully here. All the issues can be displayed here. Whatever the issues, for example, you added like 200 issues. Okay, all the 200 issues will be displayed here. Okay.
Issues in the sense like user stories and everything.
Everything, yes, everything is an issue. I told you, either epic or a user story or a task or a subtask, everything is an issue.
Okay.
See here, only it is be displaying open issues. If you click on all the issues will be displayed here. See, this is crossed, nothing but it is done.
Okay.
Okay, and it is also done. Crossed, it is done, and this is pending. Okay, these 2 are epics, if you remember.
Yes.
Right? Even done issues we can see.
So this is a list of every issue, irrespective
Every
of
issue.
epic and sprint.
Exactly. And even you can see open issues. Even you can see done issues. Even you can see who is reported by you, because I created some user stories, right?
Correct.
Which user stories are created by you or you are reported, right or wrong? So these are all user stories I created. That's the reason all the user stories are comes under my reporting only.
Okay.
And even my open issues, someone is assigned to me some issues, then my open issues as well I can see here.
Okay.
But so far I didn't have any issues, right? And even I can see view recently issues. Okay, resolved recently. And even if you are going to update some user stories like sprint, what we can say this story points or something, if you update it, even that update as well, you can see everything. Okay, so this is the complete report of your open issues and close issues and done issues. Right? Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear concerning this backlog, activity, active sprints and reports? Is that clear?
Yes, Dilip.
And see this releases you could see.
Yes.
And did you observe this image here? What is
That's
this?
Docker symbol, right?
It's a ship symbol. Observe it.
Ship.
It's a ship.
Ship. Yes.
Shippable product. That means it is a shippable product.
Okay.
I told you, no shippable product is there,
Yes.
right? It is unreleased. See, it is unreleased, and the progress is still couple of things is pending. That's the reason it has been showing. So far, 3 are there, okay, and 2 are done. 3 to do, 2 are done.
So
Okay.
what are those 3? Are like one
Total
which,
user stories.
yeah.
Yeah, so
3
that's
user stories.
Ritika's, yeah, that's the
Ritika's one is
Ritika's one
pending,
that's
right?
pending. Yeah.
Okay, and release date even you can see, and even you can release the product here once it is completed. See, with using this option.
Okay.
Or we
So,
discussed about this build. Do you remember? Build and release. I told you, couple of 2-3 sprints will be keeping them under build, and they'll release it.
Okay.
We
Like
discussed
a
already.
like a batch.
Like a batch. Okay, even build and release as well, you can do it. Okay, is that
So
clear?
can we release it before 30th? Yes.
Yeah, you can release it before 30th. Ultimately, you can release it. But if it
Okay.
is beyond 30th, ultimately it is not possible. Okay, automatically it will close.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and even the sprint as well.
and what does this release exactly do, Dilip? So is Jira integrated to any deployment tools? Does the project get
Yes, if
automatically
you are
deployed?
integrated, you can do it. Otherwise, without integration as well, you need to understand how many issues so far it is there. This particular version is consisting, and how many issues are done, how many issues are pending. And you could see if the green color is completed, then the complete all user stories are completed. It is ready for release.
True.
You
Okay.
got the point? If the complete green color, it's been showing complete green color, then all the 3 user stories, all the user stories are completed in this product. So you can release it.
So
Am I clear?
can
It's
we
used,
move those 3 user stories to done, and can we see this now once?
even now also we can release it without moving. It'll ask you, okay, 3 unresolved issues. 3 unresolved issues are nothing but 2 epics and 1 user story. Hope
Yes.
you remember.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Dilip, why is the epic and unreleased? Sorry, unfinished. I didn't get it. Why?
Epics are always unreleased only. Epic, we don't have any story points to calculate and to complete it, right or wrong?
Yeah, so even if Ritika completes her like moves her status to done, even then we'll have at least 2
2
unresolved
epics.
issues.
Yes, 2 unresolved issues. You need to check which are unresolved. If it is epics, no need to have any problems. Right away, you can close the sprint. Okay, I'm sorry.
Technically,
Close
it
the
doesn't
project.
have to be shown here, right?
Right. Okay. Technically, it should not be shown, but unfortunately, we don't have any what we can say story points for epics, right? Okay. Now it is asking you move unresolved issues to where? Again, the same story, right? You want to create a next version. If you don't have versions, see, it is not showing you anything. Or ignore your unresolved issues. For
Okay.
example, out of 3, 2 are epics. You want to ignore it, right? Because that is already completed,
Yes.
right or wrong?
Yes.
Just a second. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Version is released. See your version report.
So this is the final report of a version.
Exactly. Who closed the complete what we can say incomplete unestimated issues, and who closed this particular release. The complete report you can see here, version report. Okay, this is about all the complete version, the entire version report, right or wrong?
Okay.
So here you can see how many are completed, how many are pending, everything.
Can we download this report?
No, you have to take a snapshot.
Okay.
Downloading is not possible. You can take a snapshot and you can add it to your documents. Okay. Now if you go to releases,
Even sharing is not possible directly,
which sharing you mean to say?
like a screen sharing directly.
Screen sharing, yes. With using third-party tools, you can do screen sharing. But if you want to report something like, let's say, the product burned on chat, you want to send it to someone else, you have to take a snapshot and you have to send it.
Okay.
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 So now under releases, no pending releases now. Already it is released,
Yes.
right? No pending releases.
And we
Is
are
that clear?
viewing that final reports, final output under reports, or where is?
Under reports only. Under reports, well, version reports. Version report is there, no?
Okay.
Here you can see the complete software version release, whether it is released, how many completed issues are there, how many pending issues are there. Okay, those things that you can see with this version reports.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
is that clear?
Yes, sir.
This is product release. This is end of the product that we are going to happen, but this you don't need to bother about. This product release generally will be doing by the Scrum Master. Okay,
Okay.
right or wrong? The PMs or Scrum Masters are going to release it. Okay, but majority of these cases you need to create this user stories here. Okay, and assigning the user stories. See, epics, okay, is being moved to the second. Okay, the complete product is closed, right? That's the reason we are unable to see all the versions.
Can we restore it again?
No.
No.
No, we can't do it now. Okay, again you have to create a separate project, or you have to create a separate version here, that is version 2.0, and you can map this pending user stories to the version 2.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, Dilip.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what we are going to use it here in the Jira. The first one is creation of backlog. In the creation of backlog, version creations, epic creations, and user story creations.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And then mapping user stories with the story points and the timelines. Already you remember yesterday we discussed about it.
Yes.
And once you mapped this user stories and what we say, this timings and the story points, then you can start your sprints. And once you start your sprints, you have to track the sprints. Okay,
like
where
timeline in the sense like we are routing it like a CP or SP values or
CP or SP, correct?
Okay.
CP or SP are one and the same.
Okay.
Already I told you, no? Here
Yes.
you click on it and you can assign the CP values here with using story points.
Okay.
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 And see here, you find some labels here, right?
Yeah.
These labels, for your understanding, if you want to keep any labels or something, you can keep it. But my advice is, if you open your user stories, every user story that you kept some user story ID, do you remember?
Yes.
This user story ID, you can keep it here. Otherwise, epic name as well, you can map it. But epic name already it is mapped here, if you see. Epic is already mapped here for each and every user story, right or wrong?
Yeah.
Already we have seen epic link, right?
Yeah.
So instead of epic link, my advice is try to map your user story IDs here with using labels so that you'll understand which user story you are currently working on.
Okay.
Okay, label is for our understanding. Okay,
Okay.
if you want to keep some what we can say labeling or something to your user stories, you can use this labels.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then.
Karthik, you are there? Hello.
Yeah, Dilip, I'm listening to you guys.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay, so in this way we can use it. Okay, and even we discussed about this pages. Hope you remember. This pages is nothing but the Confluence tool. I told you, no, either to maintain your sprint meetings, like sprint planning meetings, and even stand-up meetings, review meetings,
Yes.
retrospection meetings. All these things that we can add it with using this minutes of what we can say Confluence, and this Confluence is being used same as SharePoint. Do remember, it's a repository. That's it.
Okay.
Repository of your product documents. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear?
So what is it? Create your first page there, I've seen.
Yeah. Creating your page again, you need to have a subscription for Confluence.
Okay.
Okay. See.
Okay. Okay.
Everywhere it will redirect to Confluence. Okay. And even we have some snip chart here available somewhere. Just a second. Okay, we have some chart window as well that we call it as hip chart or snip chart, something. Okay, same as we are using the Skype, no?
Yeah.
Okay, which is similar to that. We have snip chart or hip chart. I didn't remember the exact name. The chart application is also available here. Okay, between what we can say project stakeholders, they can chat.
Okay, within the teams with each other.
Exactly. Okay. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, and this project, what we can say, components. Okay, this project components is where you can rename your project. Okay, you can select image, you can write down your project description, all these things, and you can save it. Okay.
Okay.
This is all about this project. Even yesterday I shown you how to delete this project, right? The same thing.
Yes.
Okay, that is what is project settings.
Can you show it again, Dilip?
Once you click on projects, deleting, huh?
Yeah, deleting.
You want me to delete this?
No, how did you get to here?
See, in the project settings, I clicked on it. Project settings, I clicked on it.
Okay.
Okay, then you'll get left side delete project,
The whole project.
the whole project. If you click
Like
here, it will ask you.
you didn't show us like how to delete individual issues.
Even I checked with that option yesterday in the evening. That is disabled for us.
Okay.
Possibly user stories are not been what we can say. Deleting option is disabled for the free versions.
Okay.
We have that option because I'm an admin there in my current organization. I'm an
So
admin.
it will be reflecting under the same page under the settings and
Yes, project settings only. Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Here only you can delete all the any issues if you want it.
Okay.
But generally, issues should not be deleted. That is very important, as I told you.
Okay.
Okay.
And you said like we can't even edit that.
Yes. Issue editing, huh?
Yes.
Issue editing, you can do it here. See.
Oh, directly we can do it there itself.
We can do it here. And we can update it here.
Okay.
Done?
Done.
Editing is done. Deletion is not possible because any issue created by someone, you should not delete it. That is what the basic fundamental thing.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
Clear on this so far?
Yes.
Okay. And you can see your work either by clicking your work, or you can go to your dashboard, default dashboard, and you can see which are assigned to you, what is the activity stream, and even the projects. And even going forward, you'll be getting a lot of mails. See, if any other
I've received today.
Right. Okay. Even when other user or a stakeholder has been doing something, each and every status has been sending through emails.
Okay.
See, Sharan Kumar is completed. Okay, and even Karthik is completed. Right. So likewise, you'll be getting all the mails, all the status emails that you are being getting to your email IDs.
Okay.
Okay, but do remember this software is cloud based. Individually, you can't work. You have a group, that is your advantage. Okay, so start working in a group. Yes, what we say, create your projects and assign your user stories to the team, and understand how this user story assignment is happening, how the story points is being capturing. Okay, all these things try to understand. Okay, before this expiry, important thing, right or wrong?
Where can we check the expiry date?
Expiry data.
It's for 7 days, right, Dilip?
Yes, it is for 7 days. Possibly in administration we can get it. Just a second. You want to see the expiry data?
So I believe today is going to be our second day.
So unlike like a screen mockup, we don't have any threat of like if we share and it can be altered by other person.
Which screen mockup you're talking about?
Yeah, in screen mockups, if we share our Axure file, there is a threat of alteration, right?
I didn't understand. The screen mockups is nothing but
like if I share my Axure file with you, there is a threat of alteration. You can
correct,
my
correct,
work
100%, 100%.
Yeah. So in this case, it's not like screen mockups.
It is not a screen mockup ultimately, right? Okay. It is a cloud-based software. See, your last date is May 4th. Sorry, May 5th is your last date.
Okay.
Another 6 days we have it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear on this?
So after this expiry, can we see our work actually?
Yes, we can see our work, but we are unable to do, as per my understanding. We are unable to do anything.
Okay.
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 So here from the dashboard, try to create your projects, and while you are creating projects, please try to take the classic software. Again, don't be confused. This is very, very important point. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and create your classic software and start working, and everyone try to create individual projects. Okay. And start understanding how to create versions, epics, user stories, tasks, as well as the story points assigning, and the sprint creations, sprint executions, and the burn down charts.
Okay.
Okay, clear on this?
Okay. Okay.
Any questions here?
Dilip, so Dilip, so every one of us are going to create their own project to practice.
Correct.
But Ritika said like she's going to create the actual thing, like she's going to upload all the 90 user stories and work.
Okay, fine. Let Ritika upload it. But you said Ritika is not feeling well today. But tomorrow I want you to upload all the user stories here.
Yeah. So in that case, I'll be working it.
Yes. Okay. Just plan accordingly, because tomorrow I want you to work on the sprints straight away. Do remember. Okay. Even by tomorrow morning, I want you to complete this product backlog preparation as well as sprint planning meetings. Once these two
So-
things are completed, we will have a what we can say velocity. Already everything is decided, right?
Yes.
Based on that, we will start executing first and second sprints tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, at least 2 or 3 sprints should be completed tomorrow, and day after tomorrow we will plan the rest of the sprints.
Okay.
Then we will close this Scrum approach here. Okay.
Okay.
Like when is the mock-up thing then?
Sprint execution is nothing but creating mockups only.
Okay.
Tomorrow
Oh,
you
so
have to-
tomorrow, so tomorrow we have to create mockups using
mockups,
Balsamic.
yes. Okay, tomorrow and day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Right? Sprint execution is nothing but mockups designing only.
Okay.
You understood?
Yes, Dilip.
Yeah, for us, for here in this case, it's mockup design.
Mockups. In real time, it is development team work.
Oh,
Okay.
that's why you. So that's why you told to start Jira first before the mockups.
Exactly. That's the reason.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because practically that you are going to move your user stories while you are working on the sprint.
True.
Okay, you should start your first sprint and all the user stories here. See, if you create all your epics here, okay, and from each epic, what are the user stories that you are moving to first sprint? You have to move it and you have to start your sprint here.
Yes.
Okay, and the product owner is there, no? Already we are nominating a product owner here. If you see,
Yes.
this product owner or Scrum Master will assign you the user stories. Okay, from here.
Okay.
And once they are assigned, you have to start working on it and you have to make it done. And finally, Scrum Master will come and will close the sprint.
Okay.
Okay, then we will discuss about the sprint planning and sprint retrospection meeting. Sorry, sprint review and retrospective meeting.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
the complete practice we need to do it. Okay, make sure practice should be happened rather than focusing on development of screen mockups. Okay,
Okay.
those things I want you to work end to end on the Scrum approach.
Okay.
Approach is very important for us.
Okay, Dilip.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Any questions, Karthik, from your end?
Dilip, I do have some general questions related to the Agile, but I'll ask you after you close this recording.